For the assembly, we use a solvent, which has then a cold welding effect. In the inside of the box, we position fixing parts, such as stand-offs with or without inserts, or little screwing blocks or bars to fix, for example, a PCB or other components inside your enclosure. So after the milling, the bending and the actual assembly of the enclosure, it is then ready for the finishing step. So it then goes into painting, marking, and also the mounting of different accessories such as rubber feet or hinges or locking devices. All those operation steps are realized here on site in our factory in Octeville-sur-Mer, Normandy, France.